In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Brevo, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a new email campaign or updating an ongoing one, adding links can be a great way to direct your audience to additional resources or websites. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Brevo's website. As you navigate to the site, make sure you have your login credentials at hand. Logging in is a straightforward process, but if it's your first time or if you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it or seek assistance from Brevo's support team. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific email campaign you're working on. Brevo's interface is generally user-friendly, but if you're not immediately seeing your campaign, you might need to check any folders or category filters you have set up. Once you locate your campaign, open it up using the drag and drop editor. This feature allows you to make changes easily by simply clicking and dragging elements to where you want them on your email template. With the drag and drop editor open in front of you, the next step is to highlight the text in your email that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Highlighted text is marked with a different color or background in most editors, making it easy to see the part you're working with. Make sure to choose words or phrases that give your audience a clear idea of what they'll find when they follow the link. This practice not only helps with clarity, but also enhances your content's accessibility. After highlighting, look for the link icon in the toolbar. It usually resembles a piece of chain link and indicates where you can add any URL you choose. Click this icon to proceed. Doing so will bring up a pop-up window where you'll paste the URL you wish to link to in the designated field. Remember, accuracy matters, so take a moment to ensure the URL is correct, perhaps by copying and pasting directly from your source. Finally, once your URL is in place, click Insert to finalize adding the link to your email. You're almost done, but it's wise to perform a quick check to see how it looks in the editor, and even run a test email to verify that the link directs properly when clicked. And there you have it. Your text is now a clickable hyperlink that your readers can use to access more content. I hope you found this process simple and fast, fitting perfectly into those tight project timelines. If this tutorial helped your workflow, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on making the most out of Brevo and boosting your email marketing efficiency.